Hello and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Last time we covered the oven door glass. Today we're going to get into the dryer. I need your comments below as to what direction we're going to continue to go and what you want me to come on and talk about. Hopefully the last video helped out a lot of people. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to be transparent like I told you with everything you want to know or need to know how to maintain your equipment. But today's video is going to pertain to the Maytag Whirlpool and most Kenmore dryers. I'm going to teach you how the unit comes apart. I'm going to teach you where you need to clean and how to replace the idler on the machine. First and most importantly, unplug the equipment. Unplug any appliance before you dig in. But we're going to kick this off here. I'm going to put up some more pictures and give some more commentary. If this doesn't pertain to your model, please comment below and I'll help walk you through step by step what you need to do to fix the equipment in your household. Thanks for liking and subscribing. I hope you have a blessed day.
Here's the part and the part number we're going to be replacing. Here's the tools you'll need. Yes, that's a butter knife. It works great for popping the top. And make sure you got a good shop vac ready to go. First thing you're going to do is open the door and pop these two spring clips. There's one on each side. Once you get the top open, disconnect this wire harness. Once you get the harness disconnected, locate these two 5/16 screws. Use your all-in-one, take both of them out, lift and remove the whole front of the machine, including the door. Get a knee pad ready. Now with your small flathead, disconnect the harness for the moisture sensor. Then locate these 4 screws to remove the blower cover. Once you have these screws removed, you're going to see a lot of lint. Vacuum all this lint out. Be careful. Now we're going to take off the frame. Take the lower 2 screws out, only loosen the top 2, and lift and remove the front bulkhead assembly. Once you get the front bulkhead off, you're going to want to reach in, disengage the belt, and lift the drum out and stack it aside with the rest of the parts. And now you can start vacuuming, but be very careful around the burner. You do not want to go in and break the igniter. Also vacuum the blower. Once you've got everything clean, grab your small flathead, pry off the triangle retainer, clean this shaft real well, replace the new idler and the new retainer. Go ahead and put the drum back in, the front brace back on, all screws back into place, double check your work and take your time. I'm including this diagram just in case you have any issues putting the belt back around the motor and the tensioner. Take your time. Once you get the drum back in, go ahead, grab and put the front bulkhead back on, tighten down all 4 screws, tighten the blower housing back on. Do not forget the 2 harness plugs, one for the moisture sensors and the top one for the door switch. Once everything's back together, go ahead and latch down the top lid just by pushing on each side, plug the unit in. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned.